Welcome back YouTube audience to another new technology video. Introducing a lineup of the most remarkable gadgets of the future, each designed to revolutionize daily life. From advanced AI companions to intuitive smart home systems, these gadgets promise to streamline tasks, enhance productivity, and elevate convenience to new heights. With the sleek designs and innovative features, they represent the pinnacle of technological innovation, offering users unparalleled functionality and seamless integration into modern lifestyles. Get ready to experience the extraordinary potential of these groundbreaking devices as they redefine the way we interact with technology. Let's get started. But before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button so you won't miss the upcoming videos. We'll start with number 8, Tilt 5 XE Kit. Gather your party for a game night they will never forget. Strategize, battle, and play your favorite video games, board games, or tablet RPGs now with mind-blowing 3D graphics that mix your surroundings right on your table. Tilt 5 is the first and only augmented reality AR system that uses an innovative projection technology to connect you and your friends to the games you love, in person or online. With Tilt 5 technology, push the limits of the gaming to another level. Number 7. Inspire Keydial KD200. The key is productivity. The first Bluetooth 5 pen tablet in the industry that creativity combines the pen tablet with a keyboard and dial controller. The integration of the pen tablet, keyboard, and dial controller creates a high-efficient design studio for creative workers. Equipped with the most frequently used key combos, no extra keyboard is needed. Enjoy a smooth user experience from the first stroke. The KD200 that boasts a brand new Bluetooth 5 technology not only enables wider communication distance and faster signal transfer, but also realizes easier connection to PCs, phones, and tablets, helping to boost the productivity of users. The keyboard and dial controller on KD200 frees users from the keyboard of PCs and bring more flexibility for creation. Number 6. Customizable Bluetooth LED glasses. Introducing the innovative customizable Bluetooth LED glasses, a futuristic blend of style and technology. These sleek glasses illuminate your world with vibrant LED lights that dance before your eyes, powered by your creativity. With the ability to customize shapes, pictures, and dynamic motions, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're making a bold statement at a party or adding flair to your everyday look, these glasses turn heads and spark conversations wherever you go. Let your imagination run wild as you bring your vision to the life with these mesmerizing LED glasses. Number 5. Divoom Timesgate. Its sci-fi design and technological aesthetics make it a must-have desktop accessory to your gaming room, office, or any room. Such a good gaming room decorating idea. This is a pixel art screen that can be customized to whatever pixel art you like on the screen. Many options are offered in the app: DIY images, animations, scrolling text, and etc. Timegate can display your real-time social media performance. It serves as a symbolic milestone, immortalizing your significant assets within the virtual realm, social media, YouTube, Facebook, and etc. Number 4. Kiwifotos Mouse Bungee. Mouse Bungee works to prevent tangle USB hub to synchronize data and RGB light to create a dynamic atmosphere. It's especially designed for professional esports and competitive games. By attaching your mouse cord to the data cable mouse cord hook, it prevents tangle and stops drag for a smoother mouse moving experience. Designed with cool spider shape, the mouse bungee is more in line with your game aesthetics. Made of high-impact, environment-friendly ABS plus PC plastic material, the product is sturdy and provides years of reliable use. The product incorporates a USB hub with 2 USB 2 ports and 2 Type-C ports. The Type-C input of the bag is for powering the hub, while the 2 USB 2 ports and 1 Type-C port of the front adapt to transfer data or file and connect devices such as keyboard, mouse, and USB flash drivers. Number 3. Mileseey DP20 Pro. DP20 Pro is an exquisite bilateral laser distance meter whose exterior redefines the concept of industrial design. The cuboid-shaped body with thin surface and low-profile keycaps renders a product appearance as simple as a ruler. It involves upgraded and patented distance measuring technology that enables more efficient and accurate measurement, which meets various measurement needs of people engaged in house revelation, house decoration, interior design, exhibition design, outdoor advertising design, crafting, home soft furnishing, etc. DP Pro has independently developed patented coaxial optics technology. It has an internal mechanism that eliminates two-way beam variations and inaccuracies from measurement. The laser head at each end of the meter projects light beams that share a common geometric axis, which makes measurement more efficient. It is an incredibly perfect tool for complicated working environments like house construction. Number 2. Mount Digital Frame. Mount is the ultimate smart digital frame with touch support to decorate your home and display your daily events, information, or artwork. Mount's IPS panel produces high display quality, faster response times, great color contrast, higher color accuracy to display art, show cooking recipes, or play your favorite videos. Rely on the accurate weather forecast and adjust your schedule to the weather coming in to prepare for your day ahead. Mount is your best pal for discovering new dishes, detailed step-by-step recipe instructions, and weeknight inspiration. And number 1. Hypershell. We've all experienced exhaustion and helplessness dragging heavy pieces of equipment, walking tens of thousands of steps, falling behind a gorgeous track, and ending up destroying the mood and the plan. Now meet the most advanced and capable robotic exoskeleton ever, Hypershell, the hyperpower you've been waiting for. They designed Hypershell to be an entirely new generation of the exoskeleton. It packs state-of-the-art robotics, ergonomics, and AI into an extremely compact form that provides uncompromising power when needed. Hypershell saves you from tired walking, physical work, long trips, and mileage limits so that you can explore more options outside your comfort zone. For the first time, super powerful, ultra lightweight, and elevated flexibility has become a reality in one. The innovative Omega system makes Hypershell lightweight and powerful. Patented and created for lower limb exoskeletons, the Omega system brings numerous advantages that makes Hypershell distinctive. The central motor is invented in combination with 8 passive joints, doubling the assist effectiveness and performance weight ratio of exoskeleton. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button to support us make more videos. See you in the next videos.